Have you ever tried recording your Android screen, only to realize there's no sound from the video? You hear your voice, but not the game, music, or app you're using? That's because most Android phones don't allow internal audio recording by default. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to record internal audio on Android safely and clearly. Let's get started. First, let's understand what internal audio means. It's the sound that comes directly from your device, like music, app sounds, or in-game audio. Not from your microphone. Before Android 10, Google restricted apps from accessing internal audio for privacy reasons. That's why older phones could only record sound using the mic, which captured background noise too. But now, starting from Android 10 and newer, there's a built-in feature called Audio Playback Capture that lets you record internal audio if the app supports it. Method 1. Use the built-in screen recorder. Most modern phones like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and OnePlus already have this feature. Here's how to use it. 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. 2. Look for Screen Recorder. 3. Tap the audio settings icon. You'll see options like Microphone, Device Audio, or both. 4. Select Device Audio to record only the internal sound. Then hit Start Recording, and you're good to go. This works perfectly for gaming, tutorials, or capturing app demos with crystal clear sound. Method 2. Use third-party apps for older phones. If your phone doesn't have a built-in recorder, you can use apps like AZ Screen Recorder, Mobizin Screen Recorder, or ADV Screen Recorder. Make sure your device runs Android 10 or later, then open the app's audio settings and select Internal Audio or System Sound. These apps automatically detect your system's sound source and record it directly. Pro tip: if you're using Android 9 or older, internal audio recording won't work natively. But you can still get clean sound by connecting your phone to your computer and using software like SCRCPY or OBS Studio to capture both video and internal audio. Bonus tip: want to record your voice and internal sound together? Just select Device Audio plus Microphone in the audio settings. This is perfect for YouTubers or gamers who want commentary with in-game sound. To summarize: 1. Phones with Android 10 Plus can record internal audio easily. 2. Use built-in tools like Screen Recorder or apps like AZ Recorder. 3. Always check permissions before installing third-party apps. And that's it! Now you know how to record crystal clear internal audio on any Android phone, no root, no complicated setup. Thanks for watching! If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.